Let me show you how to copy comments on Instagram. Now, if you're on Instagram and you're seeing some comments and you wanted to copy one of them, but it's not giving you that option, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing you need to do, of course, is open up the Instagram app and navigate to that specific comment. Let's look for the comments on here. Now, on any of these different ones, again, if you tap and hold on it, it doesn't give you an option to copy that comment. And if you swipe to the left or double tap, it'll just like that comment. However, there is a trick to be able to copy it. And we're going to use that by taking a screenshot of that specific comment. So the volume up and side button, we'll tap them at the same time. And there is that screenshot. Let's just hit the check mark and save it to your photos. After we've saved it to your photos, you'll be able to just open it up and find that comment. Now, here we go. You can see at the very bottom right is that little index icon indicating it recognizes text on this screenshot. And now all we need to do is press and hold on here, and you'll be able to see I can drag my finger across it and then just hit copy. After I've done that, I can open up a text message or something like that, and I can hit paste and paste that exact same comment. Hope this helps. If it did, hit that like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.